This how-to is going to be on how to set up a button on a PSM touch input module or even a PC input module so that the user can give us a manual count. They touch the count button on the screen and that will increase the count by 1. So from the main page here, we're going to select core software and we're going to go to configuration and devices. Select it over here. I'm going to use a PC input module for this example. So basically select your module, hit edit. First thing you're going to need to do is set up what we call virtual input. So we click over here on virtual inputs. You're going to hit add. It's pretty simple, just call it account. Then the type is going to be account. And then what you want to do is make sure it's enabled. We're going to go ahead and hit save and exit. Now then we want to select edit. So now that we have this virtual input set up as account, now what we want to do is go to monitoring points. And for this to work, it needs to be a child of a process, right? So basically here's our process, and now we're going to add our sampler count. So we're going to call this count, and it's a linked sampler. It's count. Periodic means how often do I update the database. So this is saying every 60 seconds. You can select this so that it does not send 0. So it's updating every 60 seconds. So if in 60 seconds there's a 0, it won't send it. The other thing you can do is don't record it. So basically it'll be a 0, but so maybe it'll send it to the system, but the system won't actually. Most options you generally use when it's a manual count is as curt. So when they hit the button, then it updates the system. Select that, and then the input is going to be that virtual input that we set up. So that's going to show up right here. And now this one's going to be set up. It's going to show up count. It's going to happen when we start production. Now if we hit save and exit, I already have that station actually pulled up here. I'm going to refresh this. So now I've got start production. Start my production. And over here, I'm going to have my count button. And this is going to show the same way on a TIM or touch input module, or PSM is going to show up the same way over here. Basically, I'm going to click this. We're going to see the count increase. Same thing again. Once production's over, I'm going to hit end it, and then we count buttons. That'll conclude this how-to for how to add that button, virtual button, to a PSM touch input or a PC input module. Look forward to talking to you again.